If you want to change the button hover color in Squarespace, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update that hover effect so your buttons match your brand and look more professional across your site. This is a quick but powerful design change, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few minutes. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Squarespace tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, go to your Squarespace dashboard and click Website, then select Pages. From there, open any page that has a button on it. You want a page where you can actually preview the button styling because the color theme assigned to that section is what controls the hover color. Once the page opens, click the edit button in the top left corner of the page preview window. This takes you into full edit mode where you can access the design controls for the site. After that, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the site styles icon. It usually looks like a paintbrush, and this is where Squarespace keeps all of the visual style settings for your website. Inside the Site Styles menu, click Colors. Now you need to identify the section of the page that contains your button. Hover over that section and Squarespace will show you the assigned color theme name, such as Light 1, Dark 1, or another theme variation. This matters because the button hover color is tied to that theme, not just the page in general. Next, click the pencil icon next to the specific color theme you want to edit. This opens the styling settings for that theme. Now scroll down through the element categories until you find the buttons section. This is where Squarespace stores the settings for button background colors, hover states, and other button-related design options. Once you're in the buttons subsection, click on the button layer type you want to change. Depending on your site setup, this could be primary button background, secondary button background, or tertiary button background. Make sure you choose the one that matches the button you're actually using on the page, so the hover color changes in the right place. Now click the hover tab inside the color picker window. This is the key step because it lets you change the color that appears when someone moves their mouse over the button. You can select a new color from your preset brand palette if you already have one, or click custom if you want to enter a specific hex code for a more exact brand match. After you choose the hover color you want, review it to make sure it looks good with the rest of your site design. If it fits your style, click save or click done and then save in the top left corner to publish your updates. Once received, your button hover color should update across the site wherever that color theme is being used. And that's it. You've now learned how to change button hover color in Squarespace without needing any code. This is a simple way to make your site feel more polished, more branded, and a lot more interactive for visitors. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Squarespace tips, website design walkthroughs, and beginner-friendly how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.